Hi guys, it's me again, April of Pacifica Dive, and today I have another product to show which might be helpful in choosing scuba torches or scuba light for your diving. So let's start. So this torch is from Scuba Pro. It's called Nova 1000R, and let me show you the packaging of this torch. This is the packaging of the Nova 1000R light. And this is how it looks like when opened. So here, and this is the manual for you to read first before using the lights. Here, and there are some instructions also to follow. Then it has spare accessory where you can attach this onto the D-rings of your, or into the D-ring of your BCD. Then this is the Nova 1000R. This is how tall the torch is and very handy. This is the switch here, and this is the overpressure safety valve of the torch. So let's start with the material used of this Nova 1000R. So the body of this torch is made of matte black aluminum and known for its long-term durability and lightweight. They added some blue accent here to make it look like a tech, I would say. And this torch is equipped with a Cree XPL LED. So what do you mean by that? In a simple terms, Cree LED is a type of LED light that uses a Cree chip, which is known for high performance and long lifespan. And Cree LEDs are manufactured from environmentally safe, non-poisonous material. So Cree XPL LED is the industry's brightest and most efficient single dye LED. This torch is with 21,000 lux at 1 meter. So what do you mean by that? Lux comes from the Latin word for light. So it is a measure of how much light is perceived by the human eye. The beam angle of this light is 8 degrees. And this one here, the extended light head, this will prevent the light beam from blinding other divers. And it has double O-rings for sealing and push button here to turn on and off. Then here is the overpressure valve to release trapped gases. And the depth rating of this torch is up to 150 meters. And the battery uses single 21700 lithium-ion rechargeable battery with burning time up to 2.5 meters on full power operations. You can use 50% mode to extend your burn time if you don't need full power. So let's try this on. So the weight of this torch is most likely 0.543 pounds. Okay. So this torch is very secured. It's watertight. So there's no, to avoid leaking. So when you press like this, wait till it turns blue. That means it is now ready to illuminate. Then when I do like this now, and then if I press it again, that is 50% to save battery. Then it's off. So guys, if ever you are interested in this light, just message our FB pages, Pacifica Dive Cebu, Pacifica Dive Makati, Pacifica Dive Bohol, or order this online through our Lazada page, Pacifica Dive official page, and contact us anytime of the day. Thank you. Bye.